Can you get voice chat on Roblox Xbox? Voice chat is available on Xbox consoles, and to turn it on, voice chat for the first time, you need to be at least 13 years old, and you must first verify your ID or complete facial age estimation. After completing an age check, you can turn on voice chat in experience settings or by clicking the headphone icon in any Roblox experience that supports it. So for more information, you can go ahead and check the facts. Voice chat features may not be available in certain regions, so verification methods such as ID verification and facial age estimation may also not be available to all accounts. And that is the answer to the question if you can get voice chat on Roblox Xbox.